seafood casserole. So I have a whole bunch of cooked shrimp that's chopped into little bits, and I'm gonna add some lump crab meat and a little bit of decadence here, some lobster meat right out of the claw. Look at this, it's incredible. Some chopped green bell pepper, bunch of chopped celery, and some sliced green onion. And then I'll just stir this mixture of seafood and veggies until it's all mixed together. So now I'm gonna add some other scrumptious ingredients, a bunch of mayonnaise. You know this recipe is from the 70s when you see this amount of mayonnaise going in. But this is basically the liquid of the casserole. And it's also what makes the casserole so incredible. And then a good spoonful of Dijon mustard, or any sort of grainy mustard. And then just a little touch of sherry. This is optional. In fact, my mom's original recipe did not have sherry in it, but I have found with kind of creamy casseroles like this, just a little touch of sherry gives it the most incredible flavor. And then, of course, bringing it into the current day, dash of hot sauce, a few dashes of Worcestershire. And then for seasoning, I'm gonna add some Old Bay seasoning because it is a seafood casserole, and Old Bay seasoning was made for seafood. And then salt, and you wanna add plenty of black pepper, a couple of good sprinkles. All right, now I've got to mix all this together. Now the casserole goes into the casserole dish. Now look how creamy this is. But I would like to point out that there is no cheese in this casserole. What is the world coming to? What's gotten into me? I don't even recognize myself. So I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap. And then I'm gonna pop it in the fridge for an hour. I'm gonna top the whole thing with potato chips. Yeehaw! These are just regular, straight up potato chips, crushed. They're not like finely crushed to a crumb. They're still in big chunks. And as you can see, I am being very, very generous. The recipe says 1 bag of potato chips. Never mind that bags of potato chips now are probably 3 times the size as they were in the 70s. But you know what? I like to follow instructions. It's the recipe's fault. All right, so I'm gonna put this into a 350-degree oven, and I'll bake it for about 30 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. It's all seafood. It's shrimp, crab meat, and lobster mixed with a creamy mixture. I'll give you a little parsley on yours.
I'm just going for it.
I am too.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Oh. This is a special.
Yeah, this is a throwback.